Longear sunfish and dollar sunfish are nearly identical, and it can be extremely difficult to tell them apart. What makes identification even harder is hybrids and subspecies exist. Scientists often determine an ID by examining the rays and spines that make up the fins and by looking at scales in the cheek area. Most descriptions we have found do not accurately describe longear sunfish in our area. Small differences in markings and anatomy exist that vary from one state to the next, and even one area in a state to another area in the same state. We have noticed a few traits in our local sunfish that help identify longears. The ear flap is a uniform color with a margin and typically runs more down the length of the body. Both lips are usually blue in color. When they are most vividly marked, during breeding season, the ends of the fins can have a lot of color. We rarely see barring on the bodies, but it does occur. They run 5 to 6 inches in length.